Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will be talking about the short-lived, rapidly forming, affecting the United States tropical storm Bertha. I know it says tropical cyclone, but I bet you it's storm. Unless if you want to also call it a cyclone. So tropical storm Bertha formed May 27th, 2020, became extratropical after May 28th, 2020, and then dissipated the same day. While the creek forming system reached 45 knots or 51.7 miles per hour or 83.3 kilometers per hour. This is from Doppler radar and buoy data. The highest sustained wind reached was 43 knots or 49 miles per hour or 78 kilometers per hour. The peak storm surge was 2.35 feet or 0.716 or 0.716279977 meters. Yeah, I know, very specific. Recorded at Oyster Landing North Inlet Estuary, and the highest estimated inundation is 2.3 feet or 0.39 meters, recorded at Charleston, Cooper City River entrance. So, first thing, let's talk about the pressure. So this storm, the low pressure didn't really have the lowest pressure that I've seen for 2020. The lowest recorded pressure is 1,005.4 millibars or 29.6776299 inches. It was recorded at Pinnapolis Lake, Moultrie, NRSPNOS1. Very specific, once again. We won't be talking about rainfall, but this is the track that you see on screen. I'm just gonna kind of go through this quickly. But at 6, I don't know what just happened. Okay. Okay, good. Don't know what's happening with this slide. But I know that this slide works. So at 6 UTC on May 27, 2020, both are formed, and the latitude is 31.5 north and longitude of 78.8 west. The pressure is 1,006 millibars, and longitude, I already said that, or 29.7 inches in mercury. This is a tropical storm with winds of 40 knots or 46 miles per hour or 74 kilometers per hour. At 12 UTC on May 27, 2020, this storm reached max wind and minimum pressure. It is still a tropical storm with winds of 45 knots or 51 miles per hour or 83 kilometers or 83 kilometers per hour with 29.6 inches in mercury or 1,005 millibars. At 13:30 UTC on May 27, 2020, both are main landfall near Isle of Palms, South Carolina. The coordinates are 32.9 north and 79.7 west with 1,005 millibars or 29.6776299 inches with 45 knot winds or 51.7 miles per hour or 83 kilometers per hour. At 18 UTC on May 27, 2020, Bertha becomes a depression. At 33.7 north, 80.1 west with 1,007 millibars or 29.7 inches in mercury and with 30 knot winds or 34 miles per hour or 55 kilometers per hour. At 6 UTC on May 28th, 2020, Bertha became extratropical at 37.1 north, 81.1 west, with 1,011 millibars or 29.8 inches in mercury. Winds are weak at 20 knots or 23 miles per hour or 37 kilometers per hour. And at 18 UTC on May 28th, 2020, Bertha dissipated. Yeah, just dissipated. Oh, I know what this one tried to be. Don't know why. It doesn't want to work for me. But this one was a track for watches and warnings. But so I'm just gonna keep on the slide because that's slide because that's what it was supposed to be. At 12:30 UTC on May 27, 2020, Bertha produced a tropical storm warning for the beach to South Santee River, South Carolina. Then 5 hours, 30 minutes later, at 18 UTC on May 27, 2020, the warnings discontinued for the beach to South Santee River. Let's go back to rainfall. So let's go back to the impacts. Tornadoes, none. Thankfully, there are no tornado reports. Rainfall amounts are about 2 to 4 inches, or 0.07 to 0.15 millimeters, liters. For South Carolina. The highest total is at Guatemala Island, SCCR 98, with a rainfall at 4.66 inches or 0.18 liters. Many portions of the Bahamas and southeastern Florida up to 15 inches or 0.59 liters. There were no casualties or injuries. Few streets flooded and minor flood and tree damage. Well, my script says we're done, but I say we are not. So let me head on over. So the wind speed knots. So the wind speeds, as we see, about midday on the 27th, it became 40, and then the peak, it reached up to 45 knots, and then it just dipped down after landfall. I'm assuming that line right there, this one, this line was where it made landfall, and then it started dying down, and then we see it dissipated right here. And this is the pressure / millibars. We do see a gradual decline of pressure, and then we see the landfall, and then we see the increase of pressure. And this is the last one with the satellite imagery of the storm. It definitely looks a little disorganized, but not really. It actually looks like a pretty good storm, but this is where it made landfall around the general region. I believe that this is the eye going towards the east. I forget what island I said, but yeah, I think that is it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I create another video. Next video will be on Microfire Sentinel-6 launch. After that, not after that, we won't be doing after that. But after that, it would have been Major Hurricane Iota, unless if I lost my paper, which I did, but that was refreshed by Intrepid Explorer. So sorry, Intrepid Explorer. But next video will probably be on Cristobal or Dolly. But have a great rest of your day and stay safe, and bye-bye.